The OnePlus 15 has finally been announced, and it's already creating a buzz for all the right reasons. This phone is a big step forward for the brand, offering top-tier performance, great battery life, and smarter design, all while being more affordable than the previous model. Still, like every phone, it's not perfect. Let's go over everything you need to know. The OnePlus 15 first launches in China and will arrive globally around mid-November. For those considering an upgrade, it might be worth the wait. At its heart, the OnePlus 15 runs on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, Qualcomm's fastest and most efficient processor at the end of 2025. It's built to handle everything from intense gaming to heavy multitasking without slowing down. It's also more power efficient, which means better performance with less heat and longer battery life compared to last year's model. The phone uses UFS 4.1 storage, allowing lightning, fast app launches and file transfers. It's also more energy efficient, helping the phone stay smooth even under load. Battery life is where the OnePlus 15 truly stands out. It packs a massive 7300 mAh battery, one of the largest ever seen on a flagship phone. You can game, stream, or browse for hours without worrying about charging. And when you finally do need to charge, it supports 120-watt wired charging, which is insanely fast. OnePlus has also included 50-watt wireless charging for convenience. The display has also received upgrades. The OnePlus 15 features a 6.78-inch flat screen with a 165Hz refresh rate, offering incredibly smooth visuals. The resolution ups slightly to 1.5K 27:2.72, but the difference is barely noticeable in everyday use. The display uses BOE's new X3 panel material, which promises a longer lifespan, higher brightness, and better color accuracy. Design-wise, the bezels are slimmer than ever, just 150 mm, giving the phone an almost borderless look. The switch from curved edges to a flat design makes the phone more comfortable to hold and less prone to accidental touches. It's also tough, with an IP69K rating, meaning it can withstand dust and even high-pressure water sprays. For cameras, the OnePlus 15 includes 350-megapixel lenses on the back and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The main sensor is larger this time, which means better detail and low light performance. The telephoto camera now supports 3.5x optical zoom, ideal for portrait and distant shots. However, there's one big change. The partnership with Hasselblad is gone. Instead, OnePlus has introduced its own image processing system called Detail Max Engine, designed to enhance sharpness, color, and dynamic range. It remains to be seen whether this new system can match or beat the old Hasselblad tuning, but early impressions are promising. Another controversial move is the removal of the alert slider. One of OnePlus's most iconic features. It's been replaced with a new Plus key, which users can customize for shortcuts or specific actions. While this adds flexibility, some longtime fans might miss the old switch. Visually, the OnePlus 15 looks clean and premium, available in 3 colors. The flat screen, updated camera island, and symmetrical layout make it stylish without being flashy. Perhaps the best part is the pricing. In China, it starts at CNY 3999s around 562, which is about $70 cheaper than the OnePlus 13 at launch. Even the top 1TB version costs around 7.58, impressive considering all the upgrades. To sum it up, the OnePlus shares a faster Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, a massive 7300 mAh battery with 120 doubles fast charging, a flat 165Hz display, improved cameras, and IP69K durability, all at a lower price. The downsides: a slightly lower resolution, no Hasselblad branding, and no alert slider. But overall, this phone delivers incredible value. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or everyday multitasking, the OnePlus 15 seems ready for anything. It could easily become one of the best flagship phones of 2025, and possibly the one that redefines what a high-end phone can offer at this price.